Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Wi-Fi calling on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on connections. In connections, tap on Wi-Fi calling. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now you can also tap on the left hand side panel, and in here if you tap on calling preference, you can choose Wi-Fi prefer or mobile network preferred, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.